Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 22nd. I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the pound dollar, definitely been a very, very bearish month for most of the dollar pairs. I still am not ruling out the possibility that this is just a small correction in an uptrend because the trend definitely still seems like it should be going up for wave C, but most of the dollar pairs do look like they are potentially going to go down for maybe several months before they actually do end up going back up. Either way, we're just going with the flow, so it shouldn't be too big of a deal. Going down to the weekly time frame, I still don't really consider this a confirmed breaker structure telling me that this whole move up is over. Once we get this breaker structure, then I would throw my Fibonacci retracement out here and look for three waves down, like something like this, for another entry to go long, or look for it to make a nice 5 waves down like that. We still don't even really have that breaker structure, and it really could reject structure and just keep on trending up for all we know. So if we do see that breaker structure on shorter time frames, we probably should start looking for longs. Going down to the daily time frame, this is where you can start to make out the structure of this move down. You would expect this move down to either be a wave A or 1, which means that when it does break up, you would expect the next move up to be a correction to this move down, either a wave B or a wave 2. I do know that if it does break structure, I'm definitely going to start looking for longs, and if it just keeps on stretching out like that, that's going to be like a bonus trade for me. So let's take a look at it on the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, after that move down that we had yesterday, we pretty much got an equal low. So instead of having a structure up here, we can now have a structure right here, which is great news for us because now if we get a break of this structure, that should confirm that the wave A or wave 1 on like the daily time frame is complete. And like I was saying, the next move up should potentially be a correction to the whole move down for like either a wave B or a wave 2. So like an ABC of B or an ABC of 2. Sometimes what we think is a wave B or wave 2 is actually the continuation of the uptrend, which is why if and when we do get this breaker structure, I definitely will start looking for longs. Taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, after that move down that we got yesterday, and now we got to push up and we got to break on the 1 hour. So that means this move down from here to here is over. So now we put our Fibonacci retracement on this move. Now we need to observe the market to see if it does this, goes up and breaks this structure. If it does do this and go up and break this structure, then that is going to help confirm to me that the wave A or wave 1 on the higher time frames is complete to the downside, and that we're likely going up for a wave B or a wave 2. Now, I personally still wouldn't count on this because there's really no reason to say that this potentially couldn't make like a wave A, pull back, make a correction, and then back up for a wave C. If it goes up to one of these Fibonacci levels, any one of them, makes a nice engulfing move down after 3 waves up, then I definitely would continue to go short. I am still only looking for shorts unless or until it breaks this structure up here, and it has to break and hold above structure for me to turn into a buyer. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.